Heavy ass box. Alright, good morning. Welcome back to another Speedy Black video. One thing I will say about these dang springs, they're a lot heavier than I thought they would be. God dang. Oh, what's that? Oh! Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I had a little work done. We got a full... Actually, now that I'm back here looking at it, I probably should have mounted on that side because I drive a lot by myself. But we got a full sound system put in the car. So I got speakers front to back done, subwoofer 12 in the back, and a new head unit. And now we're going to put some Eibach Sportline. I think they were called the Sportline lowering springs. So these are going on now. I got to take this thing to get just a little bit lowered. We're going to drop some Eibach lowering springs on this. A little bit better look in the wheel area. It's going to sit about I think about a half to an inch lower front and back. There's not a single day that goes by that I don't think about, would it be better to just go get the S650 or keep working on this platform? I'm not the biggest fan of the styling of the S650, especially in the back. I'm not a huge fan of the back. I tease the dark horse left and right, but the power gains that those things seem to make, at least with just a Whipple and nothing else but just a bolt-on Whipple, significant. So my car came with the shaker system. Pulled all that out though, we're rolling something new. And the stock system never really gave me the bump, the intensity or the loudness that I was hoping for, especially when you're driving at highway speeds with the windows down. It just sounded like a regular stereo. So yeah, I went to a car audio installation place, designed a whole kit setup, paid for it, got it installed same day, and have been rolling around pretty nice. We're here, Soul Speed in Kyle, Texas. Let's see what they're all about. Looking nice. You got a Mazda Speed 3, a BMW, and the Porsche. What? All right, just getting one last look at it before we get lowered. I'm making progress, making progress. I always like to show it from this side because this is the side that's still complete. And sometime around 5, 6 o'clock tonight, it should be about an inch lower. A little bit better on handling because my center of gravity will be lower, and a little bit better on the wind resistance since it's lower to the ground. And I mean, I'm not Bill Nye or nothing, but I'm excited. We're making progress and we're gonna finish this build. Just spent a couple minutes with the guys. They seem pretty nice. So if you are in the Kyle, Texas area, this is not a paid promo. I'm just letting you know that this shop is here. Soul Speed, they're gonna be handling my lowering. Pretty confident guys. They're racers at heart as well. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And now for the fun part, gotta call myself an Uber. And judging by the price, the lowering springs are gonna cost me an extra 60 bucks because about $30 each way. Not too bad. Wish I could do this part myself, but you know, I'm at someone else's house, no tools, excuses, but you know, I can't do it. Guys to see this right here is like the perfect size shop. One day, this is goals. Yep, a nice little big 2-bay shop with a little operating area, and then of course, you know, you keep the candy outside in the parking lot so the kids can see it. That's the goal. We're gonna be there. I don't care how hard I have to work. I don't care how many videos I have to make. I don't care how many times I have to build a project car and spend money. I'm gonna hit that goal, so please be part of this journey with me. All you gotta do to buy a ticket to that ride is just subscribe. Really, it's that simple. I'm gonna make the content, I'm gonna put it out, I'm gonna do the work on the cars. Well, I'm gonna pay for the work on the cars. Shoo! I was messing up my promo. I'm gonna get the cars done, I'm gonna meet people, hang out, doing all that kind of stuff, but just please help me get there, all right? We got this. with care. Look at that. Look at this. Ooh, you can't even fit a finger under that car. Check out that front plate.
It's funny too, because the guy that it's named after, the founder. I was down for the times when people try and push MMA into.
Man, sometimes you get an Uber driver who is just so nice and friendly. Shout out to that guy. I forget his name.
A few moments later.
All right, on the way to go get the car. Let's see what we got. I can't wait to see it. Can't wait to see it. Every time I do something to the car, I just get real excited. So we are on the way. Man, god dang. Kids tucked away, ready for bed. Oh shit. Yeah. So one, not even two fingers, just barely one. That's how much play I got. One last shout out to Soul Speed. They already went home for the weekend, but got me sitting right. Well, let's compare. Side shot. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. It looks nice. It's a good stance, and it's not as low as bags. It's not gonna hit the ground, but like we Gucci. I get this way every time anything new happens to the car. I get a little feeling on the inside. You know what I mean? I get a little up in this region though, up here in the chest area. Excitement, happiness, joy, and thankfulness that I'm able to just enjoy a little piece of life a little bit more, you know, each and every time I do something to the car. I'm always very thankful and appreciative because, I mean, it's not like I got a Lambo or nothing, but this is my piece of happiness. So wheels need to be clean. Let's get the hell out of here. I tell you, my car is not any faster, but every time I drive it like I got a new part, it just feels like it goes 10 to 15 horsepower faster than it did when I dropped it off. I'm skirting around corners in this thing. I got two hands, or I don't have, anyway, you know, I got manual, so it's hard to record and drive at the same time. But yo, I'm excited, man. When I finally supercharge this thing, it's over. All right, so we got one last shot from the side. I just want to make sure that I can actually get to look at this and appreciate it. And actually, I gotta be honest, I can tell the difference. The meat of the tires feels like it's already up into the body a little bit. There's not a lot of space at the top, and it just feels nice. It makes the wheels actually look bigger than they are. I'm still probably gonna upgrade the wheels to a bigger size though, just because I like the look of like 20s and up. So.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.